If you can see this problem, here the question is given as integrate. We have to find the integration of cos x to the power 2023, cos x to the power 2023, and sin x to the power 2023. So the first requirement is, if I'm having the integration from, like if I'm writing 0 to a f of x dx, I can write it as equal to 0 to a f of a minus of x dx. This is the first requirement that you have to understand. And the second requirement is, I'm writing a formula that is given as I is equal to, just you have to remember this one because most of the question that is coming in this format, just you have to apply this concept. And the format is, if I'm writing 0 to pi by 2 cos x to the power n, and this one is sin x to the power n plus cos x to the power n. Whatever the value that is coming in numerator, we will take it as either cos x or sin x. There is no issue with that. Just you have to write cos x to the power n, sin x to the power n dx. You can write it like this, and then take this property, and you will write the value as 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 2 minus of x to the power of n, and this value will become sin pi by 2 minus of x to the power of n plus cos of pi by 2 minus of x to the power of n, and this value will become sin to the power nx, and you will get the value as 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power nx. This value will become cos to the power nx. This value will become sin to the power nx dx. So you're getting the same value, right? Cos x to the power nx, sorry, and sin to the power nx, same value, and you are getting the same thing, and you can add these two values. If I will add, you will get the value as 2y, and you are getting the integration. So from the same interval, so you will write 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx plus sin to the power nx upon cos to the power nx plus sin to the power nx dx. This value and this value will get cancelled. You will get the value as 1, and the integration of 1 is x, and you can write the value as 2y is equal to x, that is equal to going from 0 to pi by 2, and you will write this answer as pi by 2, that is equal to 2y. So the value of I that you are getting, that is equal to pi by 4. Okay, we just don't have to do these steps, just write the answer as equal to pi by 4. Okay, so the answer should be here, that can be written as pi by 2 minus of 0 multiplied with 1 by 2. This is the thing that you have to do. You are writing it as like this, and then multiply it with 8 by pi. You will get the value as 8 by pi multiplied with pi by 4. 4 can cancel this one, pi can cancel this one, and you will get the answer as equal to 2. Just you have to remember these steps in order to find the answer of this one. Okay, just write the answer as, okay, I am writing the basic step that is given as, if I am writing a 0 to a f of a, and this one is given as f of a plus f of a minus of x. This one is given, so you will write it as a by a minus 0 by 2. This is the step that you have to follow. Okay, and you are getting the same answer that is given here. So this is the step that you have to follow. Hope you have understood this question.